Check out this bedrock. That's good for catching gold. Pretty wild, huh? Sedimentary rock of some kind, probably sand. It's like sandstone, but kind of like mudstone. I'm not sure. Desert's so green. Yeah, really is. I got a little target over here. I scraped the top off and it's still there, so we're gonna go after it. It's right in here. I got the headphones on, so I'm gonna have to shut them off so you guys can hear. That up here, like that. Let me shut these off. Now you should be able to hear. Over here in the camera. Okay, bear with me. You can barely hear something there. That was my tick you heard. Okay, let's see what we got. There's something there. Take another top layer off. See if we still have a target. Every time I go over the camera, you're going to hear this. Sorry. Okay, it's moved. Okay. In my dirt pile. I think I got it. Okay, we got it. Not a hot rock. BB. I think so. Yep. BB. But it was there. I found it. Yippee. Off we go. Okay, target number 2 on the day. Let me get the headphones shut off. I think you should be able to hear that. Little target right here. I'll move a little bit of dirt. It doesn't sound real big. Yeah, I'd always check those rocks. Okay, we moved it already. Here. Nope, still there. There, we got it. Nope. Acting like screen wire, isn't it? Gotta get it knocked over here. Yep, I'm betting this is a piece of wire, the way it's acting. We got it. I'm dumping the dirt on a coil. It's something I got very small. I'm trying to hear it if I miss it. Yeah, it's in that scoop somewhere. Huh. There it is. Little bitty piece of iron, rusted iron. Oh well. Well, I'm guessing this is going to be trash. I'm just going to tip the earphone up for you. But I just dug 2 more pieces of trash here, but I'm sure you can hear that. If not, then I apologize. It's right down here. Right on the bedrock. Okay, we moved it. Right here. No. Yep, we moved it. Not the rock. Good. That rock's going to be a pain in the butt, though. Okay, we definitely got it this time. Yep. I hope it's not another BB. I sure dug a bunch of them already today. This one's down pretty deep for a BB. I don't know if you can hear it or not. It's screaming pretty good. And it's lead. Ay, ay, ay. Yep. Piece of lead. Piece of lead. Well, people sure shoot a lot of bullets out here. Phew. Well, we got a pretty good target right here and a bunch of angry ants. Yeah, pretty good target down in here. We're gonna have to go after a little more of the pick. Sorry about all the noise. It's the pick and camera and everything else. I might have moved it. Okay, we got it. I wasn't even going to turn the camera on until I started getting deep because I've just been digging trash. Lots of it here. Oh, it's in the riffle. And it's a nugget. And it's a nice one. Look at there. Look at there. Yep. That's gold. That's a nice piece. Yes, sure. Let's see if I can get the sun on it. Can't really tell, but look at here. That's a nice piece of gold. Let me clean it up. And there you go. Look at that. That's a pretty one. Yes, it is. I'll take it. Woot, woot, man. I almost didn't even film this dig until I got down a little ways. I thought, well, you know, it's deep enough. I better film it. Nice piece. I'd say close to a gram or just over a half gram. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Whew. I was getting a little panicky about getting one today. I'm happy now. Well, there you have it, a short hunt. I'm in my screwed up shirt that they made. They sent me a shirt that had the back on the front and the back on the back. So I was wearing it today just because I didn't have anything else to wear. It turned out to be a lucky shirt. But anyway, in here we have today's gold nugget. And that's a pretty nice one. Yeah, that's a pretty nice piece right there. Take those all day long. It is deep. I very seldom get skunked with this GPX 6000. I most get gold almost every single time out since I've had it. I think I've been skunked 3 or 4 times max out of several dozen times I've been out. So yeah, nice nugget. If you like these videos, even when I'm wearing a cheesy 2-back shirt, like, subscribe, ring the bell. Nugget Shooter out.